Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to replace the driver's side door handle on a Fiat 500. First, let's gather our tools. You will need a set of plastic trim removal tools to protect your car's finish. Also, grab a flat blade screwdriver, a Phillips head screwdriver, a 5mm hex socket, and a 10mm socket. A ratchet with extensions, gloves, and safety glasses will complete your toolkit, ensuring you are prepared for the job. Now let's remove the old handle. Begin by carefully prying off the door panel trim covers and removing any screws, typically 2 5mm Allen head bolts and 1 Phillips head screw. Use a plastic trim tool to gently pry the door panel away, starting from the bottom, then lift it up. Disconnect the interior door handle cable and any electrical connectors. Peel back the water barrier, then undo the 10mm nut and disconnect the metal rods. Finally, remove the exterior screw and carefully pull the old handle out. With the old handle removed, it's time to install the new one. Carefully insert the new handle, making sure it aligns correctly with the door's opening. Re-engage the handle mechanism by allowing it to settle into its proper position. Secure the exterior screw and tighten it firmly. On the inside, reinstall the 10mm nut and ensure it is snug. Reconnect all metal rods and linkage clips, verifying they are securely attached. If your new handle doesn't include a lock barrel, transfer it from your old handle now. For our final steps, let's reassemble and test. First, carefully reseal the water barrier to protect the door's internal components from moisture. Reconnect the interior door handle cable and any electrical plugs, like the mirror switch. Align the door panel clips and firmly push the panel back into place, starting from the top. Reinstall all screws and trim covers. Finally, test the new handle's operation from both inside and outside the vehicle to ensure it latches and opens smoothly and securely. Great job!
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.